Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok account now not found. So if that problem occurs, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen in order to fix it. Go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and double check if your TikTok app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. That's the most common reason why your account has some problems. So you need to update it to the latest version, okay, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you gotta do, you gotta just open up your TikTok, and you can just go ahead and click on your profile at the bottom right. Even if you didn't log in, you can click the three bars at the top right, and then go ahead to the settings of privacy, and then scroll a little bit down right here. If you suspect that there is a problem with your account, go ahead and report a problem, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just type right here account and profile, right, and then you're gonna just type right here login issues, and then you're gonna just go ahead and click other, right, and need more help, and then basically you're gonna chat with TikTok help desk, and you're gonna be able to basically ask for the solution. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.